Alright, got another unboxing. Let's see, this is all just testing, make sure microphone works. This time I'm using the Sigma 1740 1.8, 1.2, something like that. And then have to figure out how to do the color thingy. So again, this is all tests. This is an unbagging, unboxing. This is, oh yeah, forgot I ordered this. This is I think it's either the head or the chest thing for the is this head? I ordered, this can't be the head one. That's a big head. Okay, this is probably the chest strap. Yeah, chest mount for the GoPro. Oh, I was gonna order one of these. Here it is. Got this on eBay. So we'll figure this out. So, how does this go? Oh, that's like extra small. How do you put this on? Alright. Yeah, this is like an extra small. What the? My sister, dad, nephew playing trouble. Alright. Let's try to make this big. Sort of like this. So the reason I got this one is it's like extra small. All right. Okay. So the reason I got this one is, if I can figure it out, you're supposed to be able to put your GoPro here. Or your cell phone. So, is that this? Yeah, so you can do a cell phone. Man, it's just even. Let's get a little closer. Oh, I just did just reset all the settings on the phone, and I gotta reconnect this little handheld thing so I can zoom in. But yeah, this guy goes right here, and you can put your cell phone right here. If I can just figure this out. Oh, it's kind of tight. Sí. Pues, y luego le hace así y se ve más dramático. Okay. So, put this right here, like that. That's it. Or your GoPro. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, so I can put the cell phone on there instead of doing this or the gimbal. You just do that. All right, so that's that. Let me get closer. You can see what I did, especially since it's dark. But it feels tight. Didn't have any sizes, but feels like an extra small. Yeah, so this is what I did. I clipped it here. And then of course you put your GoPro here on this. It's got the little things that come out, and you put it there. Took me a long time to figure that out. I was like, how the heck you connect these things? But anyways, yeah, that. Testing out the zoom. It zooms, or focus, yeah, focuses. So that and that. Put your cell phone there, except got my cell phone up there for the monitor right now, so I can't test it out. But there it is. And that was that.